If you've been wondering, is ElevenLabs copyright free? The short answer is that it depends on the plan you use. In today's video, I'll break it down in a simple way so you know what you can and cannot do with ElevenLabs audio, whether you're creating content for YouTube, a client project, a business, or just testing things out. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the most important point. ElevenLabs is not automatically copyright free in every situation. The usage rights depend on whether you are on a paid plan or the free plan. That means before you publish anything with ElevenLabs voice or audio, you need to know which subscription tier you are on, because that changes how you can legally use the content. If you are on a paid plan, ElevenLabs provides a full commercial license. In simple terms, this means you can use the audio you generate for commercial projects, monetized content, business use, client work, and other professional purposes. So if you're making videos for YouTube with ads enabled, building audio for a brand, or producing content that makes money, the paid plans are designed to allow that. You do not have to pay extra royalties just to use the generated audio in your project. That is one of the biggest reasons creators upgrade to a paid plan. Now, if you are using the free plan, the rules are much more restrictive. The free plan does not allow commercial use. So if your project is monetized, business-related, promotional, or intended to generate revenue in any way, the free version is not the right option. You can only use free plan content for non-commercial projects. That means personal experiments, drafts, practice, or other uses that are not tied to making money. There is also an attribution requirement on the free plan. In many cases, you're required to credit ElevenLabs in your content, such as by including elevenlabs.io or 11.ai, depending on the instructions provided in their terms. So if you're using the free version, don't assume you can publish the audio without giving credit. Always check the latest requirements before you post, because platform policies can change. Another important thing to understand is that ElevenLabs automatically embeds inaudible digital watermarks in generated audio. This is meant to help protect against unlawful commercial use of free content. So even if the watermark cannot be heard, it can still help identify how the audio was generated. That's another reminder that the free plan is not meant for commercial distribution. So how do you know what to do in practice? Here's the easiest way to think about it. If your content is for monetization, a business, or a client, use a paid plan and confirm that the commercial license fits your use case. If your content is just for testing or non-commercial use, the free plan may be okay, but you still need to follow the attribution rules and usage restrictions. Also, if you are working on anything important, I strongly recommend reading the full ElevenLabs Terms of Use before publishing. That is the best way to make sure you understand exactly what is allowed, especially if you are using their voices in a product, on a channel, or in a commercial workflow. Terms can update over time, and it's always better to verify before you publish than to fix a copyright issue later. So, to sum it up, ElevenLabs is not completely copyright free in every case. Paid plans include commercial rights, while the free plan is for non-commercial use only and usually requires attribution. If you want the safest path for business or monetized content, the paid plan is the better choice. If this video helped clear things up, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and quick software breakdowns. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing exactly how ElevenLabs licensing works for YouTube, podcasts, and client projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.